Let's write n minus 4 over n minus 2 times n minus 1 in terms of factorials only. So the approach will be to look at individually n minus 4, n minus 2, and n minus 1 and see if we can write it as factorials. So starting with n minus 4, the strategy is you will always have n minus 4 on the top, factorial, but then you want to cancel out the n minus 5s, n minus 6, n minus 7, all the way up to 1. So you want to divide it by n minus 5 factorial. So the trick is the numerator will be the same, factorial, divided by the numerator minus 1 factorial. So if we go to n minus 2, you leave it as n minus 2 factorial, and then you do one less than n minus 2, which is n minus 3 factorial. And then for n minus 1, you leave it as n minus 1 factorial. You subtract 1, you get n minus 2 factorial. And so now you want to put it together. So the n minus 4 is going to be on top, so that's n minus 4 factorial over n minus 5 factorial over n minus 2 is n minus 2 factorial over n minus 3 factorial. Multiply that by n minus 1, which is n minus 1 factorial times n minus 2 factorial. And notice that the n minus 2 factorials will cancel. And the n minus 3 factorial is going to go to the top, and the n minus 1 factorial is going to go to the bottom. So we're going to multiply that. So we have n minus 3 factorial times n minus 4 factorial over n minus 5 factorial times n minus 1 factorial. And so this is going to be our final answer.